Hello everyone. So this is very late. This is the Honeybee Stamps February release and review. The dies just showed up. I swear they crawled their way to me here in Canada. So I've been putting off doing the release and review video for this until I had the dies. So now that they're here, I can film this. So a smaller release this time, and it's super cute. So we have the FEELIN FOXY stamp set with these cute little foxes. It's so adorable. And as you can see, there's slightly larger images too. Here's an A2 size cards. You can kind of see, you know, these aren't little tiny characters. You've got your two little foxes, couple of butterflies, and then some fun little like whimsical hearts. There's the coordinating die set that will cut out all of these images, the butterflies, as well as the hearts. And then there is a sentiment set. There's the FOXY Sentiments set. So you've got like, hello Foxy, to my Foxy lover, to my Foxy friend, sending smooches your way, congratulations, happy birthday, I'm wild about you, you're such a fox. So you can kind of make them a little risque if you'd like to. I think that's just funny. I love, and I've said this a million times, I love Honeybee Sentiments because you can just build. And I like when they mix the kind of fonts, you know, you've got some cursive, larger, smaller, like, so you just get that nice visual appeal. So really fun. There's also a Valentine sentiment in there, so you could make, you know, Valentine cards with these, which would be really cute, you know. So yeah, hey there lover. XOXO. I just think it's so cute. There is a die sentiment set. This is a FOXY sentiment. So you've got Foxy and the fox. So you have the word, the outline or bubble, and then the one that's slightly larger that will die cut as well as add the little like piercing holes just to give it that extra layer, whether or not you want to use that, because you could use just this. You could use the bubble with this, or the bubble will work on the stamped sentiments as well, I'm pretty sure. Sometimes I should double check that. Like I said, these literally just got here. Yes, so you could stamp the sentiment as well, like stamp and emboss it and then just die cut it with the outline one. So that's always kind of a nice little option too, just depending on the look you're going for. So I like having that to mix it up within. So there's that. And then there's this great new, this is the Ridiculously Happy, just a small little sentiment set, but a large sentiment. You make me ridiculously happy. You're my person, or you're my favorite person. And another like large, nice sentiment, you know, that'll kind of take up center stage in your card, which I love. I love sometimes like small ones, but it's nice to have, you know, big ones that just have some weight to them. So there's that one. And then we have the Penny the Platypus stamp set, which I've done a video on already. I've got my little balloon masks here from the previous video, and that was actually this card. So if you missed that, I will have a link to this at the end of this video. Isn't that not the cutest little thing ever? So yeah, you've got your fun little platypus and then all sorts of little elements. You can have them holding, you know, a cup of coffee, a little diploma, flowers, heart, birthday present, and then there's, you know, balloons or graduation cap, etc. And then the coordinating die set to die cut everything, as well as it will die cut the outline of the platypus, but it will die cut his little arms too, so you can tuck in all these little elements, which I really like. So there's that. And then there is a coordinating sentiment set. This is the Cheerful Sentiments, which will work with anything, but it kind of coordinates with this too. So yeah, there's Just Because, Get Well Soon, Feel Better, Thinking of You, Hugs, Best Wishes. You can do hugs and kisses. There's Birthday Cheer, Good Day Mate, and that's what I did on here, sending you the best birthday wishes. So you can build sentiments. So there's the sentiments, and then there's two different little sentiment die sets. There's the Just Because and the Birthday Cheer. So these are sized to larger than the actual stamp. So these are just standalone wafer dies. So you've got your words and then the outlines for them. So you've got those. And then another sentiment set that works with the Platypus images is the Congrats Grad, because there's the grad cap and the like diploma and whatnot. So we've got like, oh, the places you'll go, happy graduation, congratulations on your graduation, hats off, congrats, way to go, so proud of you, etc. Love. And then there's the big congratulations, honey cuts, wafered eyes. So you've got the word, the outline, and then the big outline with the dots. You know, if you want to kind of make this almost like a standalone sort of a thing. And this one is also larger, a lot larger than the sentiment. So this one's a total standalone as well. So there's all these options, and I actually, the funny thing is I did make a grad card. This is the one I made when my computer crashed, so I lost all the footage for this. If there's interest, I guess I could remake this card. I was thinking of remaking this, but using this die cut sentiment, that's what I really wanted. But yeah, I used just the grad cap, and it's all like shimmery and sparkly and everything else. So yeah, hats off, congratulations. So really fun, all sparkly and everything else. But yeah, that was the Honeybee February release. I will have links to everything in the description box below the video, as well as on my blog, and I'll have a link to this video. I can refilm. I'll have to remake this card with that other sentiment, because that's what I really had wanted to do originally anyway. So I can remake that. And yeah, I'll have links to everything as always, as well as on my blog. So check that out below if you're interested. Thank you all so much for watching and subscribing and thumbs upping and commenting on my videos. I really appreciate it. And I will be back very soon with another video. Bye.